Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how the tutorial on how to edit audio on Capcut. So here I've already added a video and also an audio to my editing page on Capcut. So if you want to edit the audio, you can just click on the audio that you added or you insert it, and then here you'll find the list of the toolbar that you can use to edit the audio. So first I'm going to trim the audio that fits into my video. So to trim the audio, you can just swipe or drag this like this, and then you can also adjust the volume of the audio. You can make it 100 like this, or okay, I'm going to just reduce the volume like this and click on check icon. And you can also add some fade in and also fade out durations like this. Okay, so click again, and you can also do some split. You can also match cut the audio or add the beat into the audio like this. So you can just play and click on add beat again like that, and when you're done, just click on the check icon. Okay, so maybe at the beat you can add transition or effect to the video that match the audio. Okay, you can also adjust the speed of the audio like this. Okay, so I think that's basically it. That is how you can edit audio on Capcut. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.